pretty to look up here. See the train still down there?
Yeah.
Great place to sit, dude. This is the correct one, yes. Yep. It says stay on, so. Yeah, that's the $2. Do you imagine living down there, Hunter? On that?
I can imagine
That
that.
would be nice as long as it didn't flood. Because almost it's just barely above the lake.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a little green area with like a little orchard there with a single house sitting right there. They got their own private beach light, which would be awesome unless the lake flooded. Right.
We've used an eighth of a tank.
Oh, that's not
Almost an eighth of a tank.